Okay, so for the first week's assignment, we were asked to create an HTML form that processes using a PHP script. I'm just going to demonstrate that here now. I begin to enter in the information for the form. I'm going to leave one of these blank just to demonstrate validation. I try to submit. Form does not validate. It asks me to set the password. All the form items are entered in. I click submit. It takes us to the confirmation page with a welcome message. It says hello, first name, last name, thank you for registering. It lists all the information out in an unordered list, and the avatar image is returned down towards the bottom. There is a link to click if the user wants to register again. If the form were to have been completed, and an incorrect file type were to have been chosen, let's just say it was a CSS file, a default error image would appear. So, actually looking into the markup for the home page, it's just a standard HTML document with a simple form. The page was styled using the CSS Bootstrap framework. All of the inputs are required. The names correlate with the new user.php script shown here. And up at the top, our first function is to read the input data and return an array. So the first name, last name, username, and password are stored as local variables to this function. The password variable is salted and encrypted using the MD5 algorithm. The function readForm data is returned as an associative array. The second function, which I named upload avatar, requires a JPEG or PNG file type. If it is a PNG or JPEG file type, it will return the path, the relative path to that image. If it is not a JPEG or PNG file type, it will return a default error image. Now looking into the actual HTML markup, for the confirmation page, it's pretty standard. A PHP function, a PHP script will run in the body of the HTML page. If the form is submitted, it will write the function into a global variable and will return the welcome message with the first name and last name. Down below, the list group is created using a for each loop, and the image, and in this case it is the error message, will run within the source tag of the image element, or the source attribute of the image tag rather. So figuring this out was rather simple. The screencast at the beginning of the week really helped to walk me through this. The only piece that I struggled to grasp was the uploading files. So I did find another resource on the W3 schools. I read through this article. It gave me a bit more information on how the PHP script will read the HTML form data. It just gave a bit more information. There are a few other websites that had articles that I just Google searched that were also helpful, but the W3C was by far the most helpful. And that's it. Thank you.